Hi Draw So Cuties, Waiting here. Today we're going to draw Skye from Paw Patrol, so let's get started. To draw this cute dog, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big ovalish circle. So I'm just going to come here with a big curve, bring it down, and towards the bottom I'll flatten it out a little bit. There. So I'm going to come right across and do the same thing on the other side. So big curve. And connect. So then let's draw the inside. So I'm going to draw a circle on the inside. So close to this bottom edge right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big circle. And I'll make them draw so cute eyes. So let's come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here, so towards the edge. Go bigger. Okay, so same thing. And same thing over here, just thicken the top curve. There. Okay, so then now let's give her some lashes. So I'm going to come right here on the side right here and just put in 2 lashes. And same thing over here. And then let's draw her nose. So right in between the eyes, I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And connect it, round off the corner right here and connect it in the center. And then let's give her a smile. So right underneath her nose, I'm going to come about right here and just draw a curve going up and cap it off. And then let's see here, draw her brow. So come above her eye, about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve and thicken it up. So same thing here. Curve and thicken it up. And that is pretty much for her face right here. So then let's come to the sides of her eyes. So wherever the top of your eye is, come out close to it, and we're going to draw a curve and we're going to start to frame her face. So same thing on the other side. So let's go ahead and just draw kind of like a bottom of a U. And connect. There. Okay, it's coming together, right? Okay, so then now let's bring this up more. And come right here and come down. And about in this area, let's keep going. I'm going to go up a little bit more. And because I'm using a Sharpie and I can't erase, I know there's a tuft of fur right here. So I'm going to stop and come about right here and just draw these curves with a tuft of fur. So let's see here, there's 4 of them. And 1 more. But if you're using a pencil, definitely just finish this curve first. So whatever space you have left, just go ahead and connect it. Okay, so then now let's draw her goggles. So I'm going to come right here where her fur is, and I'm just going to follow the curve I made for her face and come all the way down. So this is the strap. And curve it out a little bit and thicken it up and connect. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So same thickness, just follow the curve of your face and bring it down and about the same level as the other side. And connect. And so let's draw the top of the goggle part now. So kind of in this area, I'm going to go ahead and say about right here and here. I'm going to draw the first layer and then one more layer. So same thing over here. Just follow the curve. About right there. And one more layer. Okay, so then now her ears. So we're just going to pop them up from here where her goggles are. Come out with a curve. Do a little curve down and then out. And then we're going to follow one more layer and bring it right back in. And for some details, you can maybe draw another curve right here if you like. And same thing over here. So just use this edge of the goggle, come out, do a little dip, come out. And once again, we're ending about the same area, about right here. And in. So if there's any space, you can put a line there and then another curve. And that is pretty much it for her face and her head. So now let's draw her body. So we're going to center everything. So about right here for her collar and here, slight angle line. And I'm going to come right here. Right in the center, I'm going to start to draw the badge first. So I'm just going to give us a little bit straight line right in the center and then flare it out with 2 angles. And so I'm doing that first because I want this collar to kind of have the badge overlap the collar. And then in the center right here, just draw 2 lines. Okay, so now to finish the badge, find your center. So go right here, bring it down. And we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. And so I'll come in there with the badge, draw details later. Let's finish the body. So let's come out right here, curve it out. Same thing here, curve it out. And let's bring this down. And so right in the center, about right here, and here, I'm going to bring this down. About right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve for her paw. About the same level, and then connect with a soft curve at the bottom. Round it off, and then add 2 little curves right here for some detail. Just same thing over here. Big curve and connect. And then in between, we can just add a soft curve at the bottom. And let's see here. So now the back. So come right about here, curve it out and then in. And then just add a curve right here for the back. So same thing on the other side. Okay, so now for some details. Let's continue this line straight down. So go right here and here. It's a zipper, right? So I'm going to come in here and just quickly draw some lines across. And let's see here, for her outfit, let's cut it off about right here. Do a curve and another curve. So same thing on the other side. Curve, another curve, and now for the badge. So I'm just going to follow my outside. And now to draw this symbol, which is basically kind of like a propeller. So right in the center, I'm going to try my best here. Start with a circle because there's a lot of detail. So I'm going to start with 3 propellers. Hopefully you can see that. 3 propellers, and then we're going to draw a circle behind it. And then I'm just going to simplify this wing that comes out and bring it in. Curve, 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 and bring it in. And then I'll just leave it as that. And let's see here. So everything is pretty much done. So when you're coloring her face, she does have these patches, and I don't want to use a a black Sharpie to mark it up too much. So just when you're coloring it, just separate out the colors on her face. And that is pretty much it, except, you know what? I forgot if I gave my first Paw Patrol drawing a heart. And I believe that was Chase. So, but I'm going to give Skye here a heart. So hopefully you'll love how that turned out. And I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.